in this 10th House of Assembly qualifies more to answer to them than a certain charlatan, an attention-seeking charlatan known as Ugochinyere. This is one character whose behavior should have at least earned him a suspension from this house. Serious sanctions. Should have earned him a serious sanction from this house. But he's been protected. He's been enabled. I know he's an enabler in the house. I know he's an enabler. Every time I will tell you. And I will mask him. I won't call him by his title. I'll call his real name. All of you will know. I've gone beyond the point where anybody, an institution to which I belong lawfully, can come and act in an out-of-control manner on matters that concern my state. Ugochinyere is from Imo State, as you all know, not from River State. The irony is that his stupidity is being bankrolled by a river son. Well, I'm not here today to talk about my governor. When I go to River State, I'll address that one. I address the issues in River State, not here. I'm here today because Ugochinyere is a member of this house. And he has used some of you, the media especially, to help propagate the nonsense in friend about River State. It's from Imo State. Imo State is one state that is roiling in all manner of social turmoil. Kids can't go to school on Mondays. I'm looking up in Southeast, no. Businesses can't open on Mondays. People can't go to work on Mondays. But you have an unreconstructed village idiot who takes attention somewhere else. Because he's a cowardly mercenary. In Imo State, he can't open his mouth, dirty mouth, because he's afraid of Uzodima. He can't. He says rather and takes postures to a distant location. He has not been to River State. Doesn't come from there. Doesn't live there. Like I told you, he's a cowardly mercenary. He goes to where the money is. In this town assembly, he has been a singular reason for what would have been perhaps the biggest scandal of them all so far. This place. I've been here long enough to know what's going on here. But like I said, he's a enabler. It's protecting him. You can't have an institution where a man acts in out of control manner, behaves recklessly, undisciplined, unscrupulous, totally irresponsible, and is being protected. All of you should know you have a job. It's not about talking, engaging in glib rhetoric. Oh, democracy is not working. It's not working. Why is it not working? All of you have a stake. Are you doing your job? Just give you garbage, put it out. Garbage, put it out. Ask him, why are you from River State? Who would ask that question? Our jobs here are principally three, and lawmakers. One, lawmaking, to which there's no capacity to engage in. I've not seen him engage in any lawmaking activity in the House of Reps since he's been here. He's been here for a year plus now. Two, oversight. Three, representation. Representation will refer you to sections 49 and 72 of the Constitution. It tells you clearly, no federal constituency or state district can fall within more than one state. By implication, you cannot speak for any place other than where you represent. Either constituency, federal district, or that state by extension. What I'm telling you, I have tried to put these issues before the House's leadership, to call them to order. We as a caucus, River State, wrote to the leadership, to the speaker particularly, specifically, to take action and rein this, man who acts like a demented goat to order. When they call him to order. Yes. All I'm saying to Ugochinyere, to you now, print all. He can't do nothing. I have receipts. If he dares me, bring him to come and take me one day. I know he can't talk the way I talk, because he will falter 1,000 times in one sentence. He can't. He can't. He doesn't know the difference between singular and plural verbs. Yes. So the time for collegial respect is over. I have condoned this nonsense long enough. A new member, legislative neophyte, but he asked the broader question. He asked the broader question, which you guys should also ask. How the hell did a member who had just spent 3 months in the office become a chairman of the committee in the House of Reps in Nigeria? How? How? I've been to parliaments all over the world. It doesn't happen anywhere. You can't be a chairman except you are ranking. Not possible. One, you don't have the procedural experience. You don't have the institutional knowledge. You don't have the nous, nothing. Make you chairman. I'm not blaming the speaker. I know that all of this was like a fait accompli. Foisted upon him. And then the rest of the House was confronted after the speaker. What the hell? So we must ask those questions. How did a member had not spent 3 months in the House become a chairman of the committee, not just the committee, a key committee? So why things don't work in Nigeria? You know there's about, always talking English, like I said. Go scratch beneath the surface, scrutinize and ask basic questions. How did a member become a chairman? The circumstance I just painted to you. And it's a blackmailer. He's in the office there because he blackmails leadership. A thoroughly unscrupulous, mindless blackmailer. He tells everybody how he bought chairmanship. He tells you how he bought chairmanship. That is not a house. This is not the kind of place where such a character should, be a member of. No. Ugochinyere cannot function in Ghanaian parliament. It's not possible. First of all, you won't get elected. South Africa is a bridge too far. That one is like we are in a different world. They are in a different world together. I've been around the world a bit. So when I'm talking to you, listen to me. You hear what I'm saying. Lawmaking is not about prancing around like a goat. Dressed like a levitating sorcerer or native doctor. No. This is a place of serious business. Majority of us here are here for serious business. We're not here for racketeering, but there are a few, among whom is Ugochinyere, whose business here is racketeering. Whether to use leverage on this place and the position of the given to engage in racketeering enterprise. And people, or someone, is enabling him, like I told you. I'm a tough guy. A lot of you don't think I'm simple, but I'm very tough. When the time comes, all of you will see the different side of me. So I just called to let you know that this guy is not speaking for Rivers State. He has no mandate to speak for Rivers State. I mentioned 2 seconds of mention. Go and study. You can only contribute on matters concerned that state if matter is brought to the floor, by motion or whatever, and contribution is called for, you can speak. But outside of that place, as a representative, you cannot speak about another state. And most of what he does is outside of parliament. In his office, he calls all of you together. And then he runs, races through one useless statement. And then he goes away. And finally, he doesn't take questions. So you guys can't even ask him questions. Huh? So please, to put it straight, this man is a hired mercenary. He's a hireling doing the bidding, unfortunately, of someone who's protecting River State's resources, but he's funneling them to a stranger a stranger, total stranger, a foreigner, in the context will not be from River State, because we all have territories from which we operate. We are Nigerians, I agree. But in Nigeria, we have territories. States have boundaries. Okay? Yes. So long as you run on the platform or within the territory of one state, you cannot go and speak for another state, as I just explained to you. So please, I would take a few questions because today is plenary. And then.
So we'll take a few questions, your name and your medium. Next time.